Ternate Island located in the province of North Maluku, Indonesia. Ternate Island itself is an area that has a myriad of sites very beautiful such as natural attractions, beaches and historical attractions are all in Ternate. If you want a vacation, this is where the ideal, guaranteed you will not be disappointed, especially if you are visiting with relatives, a couple or a family vacation you will be guaranteed to be more fun. Salamadaha beaches are black sand beaches located in the village Salamadaha, district of Ternate Island, or about 15 kilometers from Ternate City. The beach directly opposite Ahiri Island is quite well known and frequently visited by tourists, but it is next to the beach Salamadaha. There is a bay or a hall with clear water where you can immediately see the coral beneath. On one side of the beach there is a narrow cove surrounded by shady trees and cool. The water is clear and lucid, make eyes can see clearly underwater life. This beach can be used snorkel. For those who do not have the tools, do not worry because it provided rental equipment for snorkeling. Talayar is a large lake with a backdrop of Mount Kamalama. The view on the lake is certainly quite attractive. When the water in the Lake Talayar dark green. The lake is located in North Ternate, around 10 kilometers from the city center. There are two Talayar, small Talayar dark is right on the beach and Talayar large green. Traces of volcanic activity can still be seen in this lake. To visit Talayar Great, we had to walk about 300 meters from the main road. Around Talayar, we will be presented with a view that is both beautiful and creepy. Surface water is light green in color alongside a towering cliff walls surrounding the water surface. In Talayar Great, we can find various kinds of fish here. Fort Calamita is a bastion of Portuguese heritage who is now a historical tourist attraction in Ternate. Its location in the Redwood Village, district of South Ternate. If you notice, fortress is designed to resemble a homemade Portuguese the four winds that have four bastions pointed end and has a viewfinder hole.